Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Cuisinart Power Blend Immersion blender. Item number 4234401. So just a quick unboxing before the dog and kid go crazy. Oh, too late. So it has a manual. Comes with, what is this disc? Looks like a lid. And here's your sharp cutting. Oh yeah, look, sharp blade. Is it sharp? Hey, look for sharp. Pull this out. Alright, what we got here? Oh, it's two pieces. Oh, this stays on there easy. Okay, good. Oh, detach. Okay. So good. It won't fall off. I pulled on that pretty hard. What we got here? Here's the food processor part. Looks pretty simple. This would just simply attach onto this. Hey, look at that. That's pretty cool. What the? It says right there, lock, loosen. Wait. Oh, lockette is right. Jesus, that is on there.
Did you break anything?
Hope not. There's the blade.
See anything plastic laying around?
Nope. Oh, and it only spins when it's pushed down. Must be a safety mechanism. And oh, it comes with a little carrying case. Look at that. Cool. Run out of room for 30 bucks. It comes with so much stuff. Oh, a little whisker. Cool. Not sure how that attaches. Oh, here's like a, for blending smoothies. And this is, must be what you attach this to. Ah, simple enough. Do you know what that is?
Now switch it and put that on there.
Like that.
Now put it on there. So then it would be. That's how the Ninja works. Ooh.
You have to press this lock button to enable it. The noise from the blender didn't really affect anything. It worked great. Been using it for a few weeks now. I just wanted to lay out all the parts so you could see what everything was. Of course, they do put everything in the manual in case you want to zoom into that and pause it. You got your food processor attachment top, the slicer and shredder blade, the bowl itself, which is graduated up to 4 cups. You have this smoothie cup here. Has a lid, but I really wouldn't trust it for transport. Maybe if you keep it upright. It is graduated up to 24 ounces. You got the attachment for the whisker. And then this is the safety guard for the blades on here, so your kid doesn't stick their finger in there. You got the blender itself, the carrying bag, and of course the manual. All the sharp stuff stores nicely inside the food processor part, so you can put it in the bag without cutting yourself. I'm going to show myself using this in various ways. Let me know if you have any questions. Here we go. Jesus. That's pretty good. All right, after pouring those out, it left a couple unblended, so. Perfect. All right, so for this part, there's too much background noise for me to use the original audio, but I'm basically just slicing tomatoes using the slicer blade inside of the unit. It left a little bit of tomato on the top, but I guess that's pretty normal for food processors, according to my wife. But yeah, the diced tomatoes look great, just like you'd get at the restaurant. And then I switch it over to the shred side of the ring, which with tomatoes just basically purees everything, but I just wanted to show it on video. Yeah, it turned it into goop. But the machine is powerful enough, I have no doubt that it would be able to do carrots or anything else. I just didn't have any on hand for the video. Yeah, like I said, it left some at the top. Expected, but the puree is pretty goopy and unusable for tomatoes, but that's not the fault of the device. Now I'm just putting it into the dishwasher, and my dog is licking the dishes in the dishwasher, so that's fun. Wow, that works really good. Here I am making a milkshake with the hand mixer. I haven't made myself a milkshake in about, I don't know, 7 years or so. I actually went to make one the other day, and my original one from the 90s was broken, so that's why I bought this. I forgot that you have to add a lot more milk than you would think to actually blend it, but eventually I get there. So hey, look at that, you made it to the end of the video. I'm going to reward myself with this very milky milkshake. Thanks for watching.